Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Made Simple. So just now UPSC has declared minimum qualifying marks, that means cutoff for last year's exam. So it is 92.51 for the prelims, 736 for the mains, and for final selection it was 944. If we compare with 2019 cutoff, prelims it was 98, mains it was 751, and final cutoff was 961. So for both these it has come down, and for prelims very surprising, so almost 6 marks less than 2019 cutoff. It is around 46%. So possible reason, if we can analyze it, so can be CSAT paper difficulty level. Second can be COVID-19 pandemic has affected. Many people have not given this 2020 exam, so that might be, but that will not be a big issue. Important what I feel was CSAT, COVID-19, and most important was difficulty of the question paper. It was most difficult paper in recent past, 2020 prelims question paper. That has been reflected in the cutoff, that is 92.51. So positive note out of this is you don't have to worry about scoring more than 50% or sometimes 55%, how much to attempt and all, what will happen. You don't have to worry. Even if you attempt accurately, and your minimum cutoff should be but around 85, so that you will score minimum of 55%, right? So, and again, more important thing is don't take CSAT paper casually, that is GS2 paper, because some people who were scoring very good marks in GS paper 1 were not able to qualify for this CSAT paper. So don't worry too much about CSAT, also just be serious, practice enough to get this qualifying mark of 33% in CSAT paper, right? I know most of the people now are in a state like, I will skip this year's attempt, I will appear for the next year. If you are prepared well enough for the mains, then this is the best opportunity to appear for the prelims. This kind of some kind of anxiety, tension, pressure will always be there. It will be there for those who have cleared once and appearing for the improvement, like those who are IRSIT, IPS. Still they will have this kind of anxiety before prelims. So don't worry about it. It will be quite common, and if you are and there is anxiety, some kind of tension, that means you are serious enough candidate. So don't worry about it. Take it positively. You have given a lot of efforts, you have taken a lot of efforts, preparation is very good. So trust on your preparation, trust on your confidence, trust on your understanding, knowledge. And for remaining parts, you can go through our approach series, how to approach questions where you don't have much knowledge, or these questions which are difficult, as it is not from your direct source. You can go through this approach video series. I will upload more video, right? So all the very best. Don't worry about it. You will come out with flying colors. Thank you very much.